Good afternoon. Today is World Elephants Day, and I would like to talk with you and share with you about how is the life of the elephant. So many of us love elephant, and we think that elephant is many of them is happy, or maybe we just think that is some of elephant in a hard life. So many people wonder what's going on, what's happening. First of all, I would like to speak about the Asian elephant. Asian elephant, we have two groups, which is one is wild and another one is captivity. So, all right, so this is, I will take them walk through the field, and I would like to introduce you. This is Kamla and her family, and so I will go and put Kamla down to the walk. She kind of push. Hello, little baby. For the wild elephant, is a lot of problem. Since I work with the wild population in Asia, is the elephant have the problem with their habitat and with their home, and they get take away for their land, and they get take away for the space. Almost every day that is the elephant living their life on the edge. I work in Sumatra, India, Bangladesh, Thailand, Sri Lanka, and their life is not different. So many of them get abused. So many of them get injured for their living, and many countries use explosive on them. Many of them get chased, and some part in Myanmar as well. Many wild catch baby. So we hardly have, that is, when we found a baby elephant have sent to the circus in another country. Many of people wonder where this baby elephant come from. And the government not open and not let the people know facts. How is they catch the baby elephant? So many baby stolen from wild, stolen from kidnapped from their own mother, and sent to the circus around the world. It's not just only from today, but from a long time. If you have checked about the elephant history, they never show a realistic, or they never show a real history. But most, they will say that this elephant from wild. Many countries choose not to say trade elephant, but they choose to say exchange animal between the zoo for the friendship. Like Thailand start to issue permission and lift the ban of the elephant trade. Try to go to bring the baby elephant to many countries. And as I know that is, at the moment, many countries send the request to ask elephant to the zoo. Some country ask Thailand to send for a friendship trade, a friendship. Some country want to celebrate their independence and ask the government to send elephant to celebrate the country that they get freedom. But I can't agree anymore. When your country celebrate Independence Day, why you want to take elephant from our country and bring them to suffer in your country, just only make that celebrate. So many elephants went to the zoo, so many elephants suffer and die there and never come back. And if we want to educate our children, we shouldn't lock that elephant in a small concrete or in a small bar. And many of them need friends. Elephants stay in the herd. These elephants we rescue from circus, from locking, from money place. But now we let them be a family again, because their real life, they want to stay as a family. So now we come and talk about life of elephant. First of all, I would like to send a message to the President of United States about trophy hunting. I never agree with this. Trophy hunting, how dare you allow this to your country? I am very disappointed, because I think America should lead this for the world, for the conservation. The trophy hunting, that is, you cannot go to kill someone in their home, because the elephant not designed for the people to go to do the trophy hunting, and there should be freedom in their home. How do you feel when you stay in your home and someone go to use a rifle, someone use a sniper for your family? And this cannot be like this, because this world is not belonging to only all of us, but belonging to every life. We are all the citizens that own this planet. So I would like to go and ask the new president, whoever will coming to stay a future president, please ban trophy hunting. And also I would like to ask all of American friends, before you will go and select the new president, please, if you love elephant, whoever support trophy hunting, don't vote for these people. Because if we want to help elephant, if we want to help animals, not just only elephant, for the bear, for every kind of animals, we should consider it to vote for that. And I speak today on behalf of elephant, and I can't stand with this hunting. And the other thing is, the life of the elephant is locking. Many of you maybe wonder why we use elephant to pull the lock, when many people around the world use machine. Let I tell you the truth. At Asia, many of wood, many trees that they go to seeking and cut the hardwood, they don't have a plantation, but they used to steal the forest. Some country in Asia let the big corporation to come to lease the land for sometimes 50 to 99 years. And when these big corporations come and lease the land, they start to, first of all, clear cut, seeking for a hardwood. And then they start to go and cut all the good wood for the logging. And then they benefit from this forest. And the more that is, they start to go and seeking for the big tree, like 100 years old tree, is all in the deep jungle. So they want to save cost, they don't want to make the road, they don't want to use machine, they use elephant. And when elephant go to work in the deep jungle, the elephant are more suffer. Some country like Myanmar, announcement to ban logging, Thailand banned logging in 1989. Myanmar just banned logging a couple years ago. So many animal rights start to think that this is the victory, and everyone relax and calm, because we think that when the government start to talk about ban logging and now no more elephant will do logging. Facts. I have been in the area and I have witnessed a lot. The fact is, elephant, they can ban logging, but only one overnight, the world are relaxed. Animal right is not monitored and focused anymore. Then elephants still carry on to work. It's never rest. And the more that is when we not focus and monitor on them, elephants work more harder. And they will go and work more in a remote area, and they get more suffer because we not focus, we not monitor anymore, we not alert them anymore, and they even more suffer. Today Thailand still do a logging, some areas, some part. Myanmar still do, Indonesia, Malaysia, everywhere they still do logging, but no one talk about that. And also, when they start to go and talk, to be a conservationist, we cannot speak the truth. In many countries, they have the law. And I think all of you know already, if you speak too much, your life will never be a peaceful again. And this is a problem of many countries, that the government doesn't like you to speak the truth. So I just want to let all of you to know that logging still carry on in many countries. Trophy hunting still have many places. When we have celebrate World Elephant Days today, how many people know that is? Some people maybe go inside the jungle and put the bullet on the elephant. And this is, we have to stand up and fight for them. Now we come back to the circus riding. Many countries, the organization, the government official still agree with this, still think that is elephant riding, elephant circus is right. When they start to use image and picture of the circus to show in the tourist promotion, this is for us, for animal lover, elephant conservation. This is the time for us. We cannot fight against that. We cannot stop them, but we cannot do something. We cannot fight against them, but we can do something by education. Many countries, no law, no animal welfare, but we can use education to educate for the young generation. This is only our hope, that is young generation will change attitude of traveling. So one other thing is not just only circus riding. They still have so many products that sell for elephant. Elephant hair, ivory. Please don't support, because many people believe in superstitious. They believe that is you wear the ivory, that is will make your life happy or bring the luck to you. How can elephant will bring good luck to you when they cannot even protect their own ivory? So I just would like to ask you, please, education, your friend and family, please don't support to buy a body part of the elephant. One other thing is to disturb wild elephant or even for the captivity elephant. A group of the people who work for research experiment. I wonder about this in the jungle. No one know about that. Now, what is I learned? The group of the researchers start to do the birth control. And this is what is I worry about, that is they will start to do a birth control of the African elephant, and also now they plan to come to do a birth control of why Asian elephant? We have no idea. When they experiment on that and what's going on, what happening with the elephant, and they don't talk about side effect and how many elephants get the medicine or get that drug and die in the jungle. I want the world to alert on that. So I just want all of you to help to protect the elephant, and please, they need your voice. So one other thing is, so many baby elephants get caught from the wild when the world is not really alert. Only a few groups that is talk about and fight against about that, like Zimbabwe and Botswana, and many of the baby elephant trade to another country. So many of the people are love to selfie with the young baby elephant, but no one know that is how much these baby elephants are suffer and how much the mother suffer behind. We stolen the baby elephant from the mothers, and then we enjoy with the baby elephant when both mother and baby suffer. How can we happy on, when how can we happy when we take the baby away from the mother? Think back, if we have our own baby, do we like the baby stolen from the family? Of course not. We can agree with that. So I just would like to ask to all the tourists, when you come to traveling, please, if you see the baby alone with no mother, question on that. We shouldn't support any business that breeding the baby elephant, stolen the baby elephant from their mother and take them to do the trick for the human. It's a time for us to stop our attitude, time for us to stop our selfish and think about the others. This is the only way that is now we can stop and help to stop this trade, stop the experiment, stop circus and riding, stop to abuse the animals, especially for the tourist industry that abuse many animals quite a lot. So we have to education, and I have the hope that is all of you will help us to speak, to stand up and voice for the elephant. Let elephant be elephant. Let them to stay roam free, and let them stay with the herd. And we cannot disturb them. Allow them to be the elephant, and let them stay freedom, happy, with no abuse. And if you have any question, you can write and ask, and I will go and answer to you. But now I want you to enjoy our herd here, and this is I don't want to say any more, because this is what is I want to speak on behalf of elephant today, and because of today is World Elephants Day. I think if we want to speak for elephant, we should speak and stand up for them. And it's a time to voice, to stop trophy hunting, save elephant, stop killing elephant, and we have to looking for the future of elephant. And I would like to thank you for all of my friends who support, and also the people who voice from elephant from around the world, and from all of you who speaking, who set up Facebook, social media to speak out for the elephant, fighting for elephant for a long time. I know that it's not easy to work with elephant when many people benefit from this, and I think many of us get against and we get attacked back from many people who lost the benefit. So please stay calm, stand strong. When we join the hand together, we will have the voice for them, and one day we will see the victory. One day that is we will have the right for them. You know, life too short, and if we want to help the elephant, we got to action right away. We cannot wait for tomorrow. If we wait, we won't see them again. Look at this beautiful giant. They need our voice, their life in your hand. Please action and help them. Thank you very much.